Hi, David. This is the VCCC project. Share bracing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. It looks like identical, but actually not. And then this is the second stage, or the another area we call the core yard. The dark gray color is the slab for the assisting. This one is the new built concrete block for the lifting and the staircase. The steel, we have level 4 for the floor, and then this is the roof. And also we have a little bit to fill in the gap. This is at level 2, level 3, alright, level 4. Okay. 2 small mechanic platform. Alright, now we concentrate on the share bracing. We have 2 layout drawing. One is called MP112, another is called MP113. So basically the MP112 and 113 is form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It just represent this elevation. Now we're focusing on the MP112. What we need you to confirm is what is the internal face-to-face distance for the window opening 6650. What is the internal opening? Alright. And what is the height between the concrete? And maybe if you could give us the diagonal, like a double check, that would be perfect. Secondly, we have the cut section 1 and 2. From the cut section 1 and 2, you can see we want you to identify or side measure, see what is the finish. We assuming follow the architect drawing, it should be something like that. So the center line to the RL, the floor number 4 should be 300, would be the center to the edge. But for the RL 37.91 should be 450, something like that. So if you can confirm, and then I can give you the exactly campsite location for the boat. And basically that's it. However, for the MP113 will be a little bit difficult. The reason is for the lower level, for this level, we have a little bit strange shape. You can see the concrete, if we follow the architect drawing, the concrete finish is not level. It have a little bit gap going down and up. And in the engineer drawing, they asking us to give a little bit fold, the fold base plate with the grouting. And also the concrete looks like not that normal. It have a little bit increasing the angle. So you can see we assume the height from the bottom of the concrete slab will be 208 and 121. All this is just copying the architect drawing, and definitely this will going to affect our accuracy. For example, cut section number 3. Oh shit, what is my number 3? 1 or here? Yeah, number 3 cut section. So we know there were concrete, we know this is the window opening. However, they have a little bit angle. So for this one, that is a little bit complicated than the MP112. The shape. So if you give us diagonal, you may give us 2 of them. One from this point to this point, one from this point to this point, or maybe you give us from this face to this face. And what's the step? So if you could give us the step, that would be better. Alright, we come back to the model. We come from the most simple situation. For example, you bolt to campsite, you bolt something on top, you bolt through. This is bolt through, and then you bolt through the first, bam 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 bam, do a lot of camset. This is one assembly. Once you put 6 camset, put this one in, you will have the connection available for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So one assembly for this corner, one assembly for this corner, and this is the main assembly. 1, 2, 3 together, both to the top, both to the bottom of the concrete. So once you finish this one, this one, this one, and then you should be a little bit quite easier to get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one to be installed. And later on, you can do this one and this one by connect them together. Again, all this is the temporary ear plate. So you bolt together first, and we have the ring stiffener inside to prevent that have some distortion. And after that, engineer said we need full string bout weld on side, and then cut. You need to cut the air plate. You need to cut the ear plate out, and then do the repairment and nice finish, and do some cold galvanize, or maybe do some coating. So just remember, all this plate you see is the temporary ear plate, and you should be cut off after you do the full string bout weld. So actually this is quite large amount of the welding to get one thing done, and all we need is just the internal opening, face to the concrete, the bottom to the bottom. For this one will be a little bit difficult. For example, we have the round pipe concrete ply, we have the step, the concrete beam, large concrete beam, and also you can see here we model the things in the concrete. It's just a little bit in the irregular shape. So you can see we already do our best to perform to simulate what happened on site. So maybe what you can do is go on site to have a look if this is really have a beam, and if the concrete profile or the shape is really like that. And all this information we already show on section 3.3, section 1.1, section 2.2. So you can compare that cut 1, cut 2, cut 3. These two is similar. 1 is similar, 2 is in the middle. And also for this one. So all dimension we put in here, we hope you could identify, confirm with us. Once we got your markup, you just bring these two to the side and do some measurement, diagonal, and then we will follow your new dimension to adjust the length of the UB and the bottom frame, the horizontal bracing. If they were necessary, then we may have to change the angle a little bit and make it symmetry. So basically that is the whole things. So you can see this is a cover plate. This cover plate should be after you need to cut out the ear plate first and then put the cover plate in to cover it, because they have a lot of the dirty connection. You see the connection plate. And the reason we only put one is because it's like a loose things. We just later on times the quality by 1, 2, that'll be fine. 3, 4, that's it. Something like that. And yeah, basically at this corner will be easier if you're thinking about this one. So we actually already separate all the small pieces and make the weight around between 300 kilogram to 500 kilogram, maximum half ton, and the length would be around 0.8 meter to maximum 2 meter. I think the 2 meter will be like this one, I guess. Roughly 6 meter. Roughly 5 point something meter. Here 6.5. So divided by 3 is approximately 2.1 meter. So you can think about that. This will be 2.1, 2.1, and this one will be only one, not even 1 meter. All right. The worst case is you can't bring these things from outside of the building. You need to transport them from the inside. But the lifting, go to the room, get inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just mirror 6. But the detail is quite different. Right. And this one is just like to weld another 2 plate to consolidate the concrete ramp height, and then also creating the connection for other things. So we got the approval from the engineer. Done, finished. All the connection exactly follow that design, no problem. So later on, once we got your side measurement, then we will revise our model and provide another 3 or 5 layout drawing to show exactly where is the campset you need to put in. Actually, that should be for the builder. And once the builder put all the campset in, ready, I think it's time for you to put the shear bracing in. And then full string bevel weld for the side welding. We already give you the room, little bit room for the side welding. And all this detail is proposed by ourselves, approval by the engineer. Alright, I think that should be fair enough. Alright, talk to you later tomorrow. Bye.